Hello YouTube, Gamer1 here with a special bonus reaction video. I wish I could have done my last reaction video, but yet again I'm too lazy to add two clips together. So today we're going to be reacting to my favorite, video, Morse code kid, or however one says, Super Minecraft kid. You'll see why I call him Morse code kid at the end, but anyways, let's get into the Laugh Fest.
Time for the final battle, Michael. I'm gonna f*** you up! No! Steve! F***! I fucking hate you, history teacher. No, I'm gonna kill you. Oh, fuck! No!
Like the doctor says,
Chica!
a bullet gets rid of a bullet.
Chica. No. No!
It's
No!
animatronic, you can build another one. Oh my god!
I'm fucking
Oh my god!
you!
Oh my god!
Oh my fucking god! You are the worst
Oh my
fucking
god!
human being I've ever splinter nothing! You fucking gave me an F on my final fucking grade! And guess what? Guess what? Guess what?
What?
You fucking gave me an F, now I'm fucking repeating the fucking grade! Guess who I have? Guess who I have for history again? Fucking you! Fucking you!
Oh my god, you just said it 2000. Oh my god,
What
this
did
is
you
priceless.
say about the butter sword? Remember, Michael, the butter sword can bring back anybody. That's right, I can bring people back to life. That's awesome.
Okay, really. Chica is an animatronic. You can build an animatronic. Are you stupid? She is probably like one of those 50,000 other robots invented. Yet you think a butter sword. You could have brought back Steve, and then Steve would have helped you build a new Chica. I don't even want to go into further detail because I like to encipher a lot of crap.
Hi, Michael. Chica, you're back.
Wait, hold on.
Awesome. Hi, Michael. Chica, you're back. Michael, there's something I want to tell you. What is it, Chica? I love you. I love you too, Chica. We don't like the haters. 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 Haters are dumb. Haters are stupid. They make us feel bad and punch our moderates. We don't like the haters. We don't like the haters. They try to make us feel bad and make us stop, but we never stop because we're cooler than them. They just hate us because they don't love they love us.
Well, everyone,